Hello, little boy. Hello. Do you got the hiccups?
Get back that feeling with Denny's Extreme Grand Slam. Because at Denny's, you can always eat like it's the weekend.
You're not going to get mad, are you? Him so sweet. Look at him. What you looking at? Over here. Over here. Clay. Clay. Hey, little boy. Look. Look at your mommy. Oh. Where you going? Huh? Where you going? That's my baby boy. He's my little man. Yes, he is. Oh, goodness. Oh. Oh. You've had them hiccups for a long time.
Oh, honey, it's always been for losers.
Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.